What's good, everybody? Right now we're about to check out IVE, IMMV. Let's get it. Let's go. Play my intro. Be sure to check out the links in the description. And IVE, let's get into it. I am 3, 2, 1. No wasting time. What? Off the okay, swinging them doors. Girlie just came through. What the? Oh, we got the black and gold card. Oh, she going shopping. Oh, they going. Let's go. I see you, Ray. Let's get it. Ooh, ooh. Okay, harmonies. Rich girl tings for real. Better get that. You better get that. Oh, we on a private jet. On top of a jet. On top of a plane. Of course, IVE only. Strange view of somewhere I want to say. Ooh. Oh, girl, what you doing? Ooh, okay, IVE come through. Dang, she really out here. Just skydive with no parachute? Oh, you saw that hair flip? That hair flip looked like it would hit my face easily. Like on my way. Okay. Hey. Okay. Dang, rich and fabulous life. Let's go, Ray. I think my bias is Ray, though. I'm still trying to figure it out. Okay, Miss Ma'am. What was that? I want to try that. Posted. Your someone's dream come true. Ooh, okay, handwork. Deja vu. The breakdown though. Ooh. Not me trying to do the choreo. I got it. Easy. Let's go, miss. Damn, makeup on point. Obviously. Oh, they running the runway. Every runway. Fashion, airport. Ooh. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Get that. Serve it. Serve, Miss Ma'am. Like the little ooh. Did they add to the... They did. Yes, Miss. Damn. We need to take a second look. First of all, we need to take a second look. Let's go. Start off on the runway. Dang, the way she swung the doors open, like who you think I is? She's that I'm different from other girls type of vibe. Ooh, wait, what did that say? Invites you to an exclusive access to IVE, or I have, revealed on Monday, April 10th. It's today. The invitation's even spreading even more. I like a good shopping spree, but you know, when you don't have any money, it's not the same. I'm guessing they're going on a shopping spree right now. Like they're just trying out new. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Ooh. Ooh. Just them on a plane itself is iconic. On a wing of a plane, I think, right? Yeah, that is the wing. Yes, do the choreo. in midair. Wait, weren't you just out there? Oh my god, I just realized that the bags, the emergency bags came down from the plane. I wish. Woo! Ooh. Did they add the like, you know when I go the swish sound? If they did. Is that actually part of the song? No, that has to be just part of the music video. That shot of her like jumping out the airplane. I actually want to see the behind the scenes of this. Y'all link me in the comments. Cause green screen, let's go. And it cuts to her like looking up too. Oh, that has to be animation, no? Ooh, hair, let's go. It's the but pretend I have hair or something like that. Ooh. Girl, you are slaying. All y'all slaying. Invitation. Invitation only. Girly. Ooh, a little switch up to a little trap. We all looking, girl. Ooh, I like how it like spins you almost. Oh, is that like a reverse? What the hell? Did they order the plane? It looked like Uber. Imagine Uber planes. That'll be next level. I don't know if I'll be alive before I see that, but I wish they make like traveling a lot more easier. Obviously, we have to be safe because, you know, obviously safe as well. But I would, if it was a lot easier, like teleportation, that'd be awesome. Instead of like waiting on a 11-hour flight to go to Korea, it's like maybe like 20 minutes or something like that. I don't know. I only could hope. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, iconic. They look like almost like Charlie's Angels almost. Like just like the lighting in the background too. Ooh. That little cut to the party. Ooh. Better get that one, y'all. Iconic. There's so many dope scenes of them together just looking badass. Yes, Miss Ma'am, you better serve. You better serve, Miss Ma'am. All of them. I like how she like feels like, it's me, it's me. Yes, Miss Man, you already know you can serve. Yes. Sorry, I'm just hyping them up. Ooh, with that type of ending too. Okay. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of IVE's I Am. Who is your bias? I feel like I asked that a lot. I think I asked that last time on their pre-release, but this is their official comeback. If I'm not mistaken, you guys correct me in the comments down below. Thank you guys for always watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace out.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.